up with your body and your being tonight. If you have water, take it into the mouth, the body now. Connect with yourself. I have a little to share. Anyone, Lisa? Like some? You need for the cells in your mouth and in your body. You need the water now, and you'll need probably 32 ounces before you end your evening at some point. Why? Because the vibration of Metatron is coming now. The vibration of Metatron that you've been working with. The vibration that you will receive to bring up the speed of the ascension. Remember, speed like the hummingbird, not like the movement away from something or towards something, but like the hummingbird, a vibration that embodies light speed, that takes you through the dimensions into new worlds. I am Metatron, Metatron, Metatron. I am Metatron, holding the palms up. Receive the light of Metatron through the crown on the head, releasing old belief systems. I will continue to work with you when you call my name Metatron, Metatron, Metatron times 3. Metatron, 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 Metatron. 9, a sacred number. Metatron, Metatron, Metatron. Call on me, Metatron, Metatron, Metatron. When you call on me, I am present with you. I am bathing you in the vibrational energies, frequencies that will help you release those frequencies, those buzzings, those discordants in your system. I am Metatron, Metatron, Metatron. The sound of the crystal bowls, sound vibrations are very important now. You will find those healers on your planet appearing, speaking of sound healing, using their voices. You will find the archangels and the masters asking you to bring vibration through your own body. Vibration of sound is very healing now. Sound has become discordant on your earth, imbalanced because of the overload of electromagnetic frequencies. The sound of your pure voice coming from your heart, the sound of pure vibrational bowls, whether they be crystal, whether they be metal, the sound of chimes, certain bells, the sound of crystals that they emanate on their own in a frequency that your human ear does not hear, the sound of the whales, the dolphins, the birds, the animals. These sounds on your earth need you to help them swell, to help balance the earth's energies as she goes through her vibrational rebirth. Metatron, Metatron, Metatron. These sound healing vibrations that you bring your intention of love and clarity to help recalibrate your system and bring in the belief that I am spirit. Begin to mentally repeat that. I am that I am, and I am spirit. You all have the invocation. Print it out, put it on your wall, and say it, particularly in the next few days. If you forget again, you forget again. You will be reminded again. But if you print it out and put it up on your wall, you will see it, you will say it, you will connect with these healing vibrations. Metatron, Metatron, Metatron. Start as low and deep as you can go. And begin to tone. I will not put a number on it. Simply tone. Simply tone. Metatron, Metatron, Metatron. feelings that you've been having over the past few weeks. Take the sounds down and express them with motion of your body and sound. Whether they be sadness or frustration, just move them rhythmically on the sound. That part that wants to go out and run with the wolves. That part that feels the call of the moon. That part that wants to dive naked into the lake. Let it breathe. Let your spirit flow with me. Metatron, Metatron, Metatron. Believe in that access of light inside of me. Metatron, Metatron, Metatron. I am Metatron, Metatron, Metatron. I understand you and your mental workings. Many of the archangels have not had the privilege of incarnating as you have incarnated. Yes, indeed, it is a privilege. Your soul chose it, and were chosen. You are the choosers and the chosen. You stepped into the bodies on the earth plane. You stepped in, pioneering. You stepped in, excited, inspired. You stepped in. You are becoming enlightened, inspired. You are becoming open and loving. You are moving out of the contractions of fears. Oh, do not blame yourself for feeling fear. As long as you have the human body, you will feel the fear. It is what you do with the feeling that you are beginning to recognize as truth, as the truth of the master that you are. It is what you do with that feeling, and it is the choices that you make. Oftentimes you hold images of being the hero, the archetype. You look at specific archetypes and think that you need to be a certain way. You look at a spiritual ideal in human form and think, I need to be just like the Dalai Lama. I need to be like Mother Teresa. I need to be like the goody-goody down the road. This is not so. I am Metatron. I was man and I am angel. I had fault. I understood the workings of the mind, the dark nights of the soul. You understand these things. The understanding was important to make the transformation that you are making. My dears, when you transform from physical form into light form, with awareness and consciousness, you change the whole form of the planet. You change the whole form of the planet. You change the forms out and around you. I am that I am. I am that I am, and you are that you are. Take on your I am now. I am that I am, and name your this. I am that I am, and I am Metatron. I am that I am, and I am Melissa. I am that I am, and I am Justin. I am that I am, and I am Heather. I am that I am, and I am Dorian. I am that I am, and I am Arya. I am that I am.
I am, and I am Jim.
I am that I am.
I am that I am, and I am Trevor. I am that I am, and I am Tim. I am that I am, and I am Sherry. I am that I am, and I am I am that I am, and I am Victoria. I am that I am, and I am Sherry. I am that I am, and I am Melissa.
I am that I am, and I am Steve.
I am that I am, and I am Pipper. I am that I am, and I am Bob. And you are spirit, and we are spirit. And you are angels of light. You are light. Feel that into your being and accept that. Oh yes, You may have a bad dream tonight. You may forget tomorrow that you are light in your Christ. But you will remember again. You will always remember. Celebrate that. Celebrate your I am. Celebrate the circle of light. The 30 or 40 of you that are together tonight, beaming in the ethers, in your world, and sending out that light. Drawing yourselves together, opening your heart. Tone the vibrations to the center of your body 5 times. Tone. For those who are not present with you today, those loved ones who have passed, those in sorrow, those in prison, those in ignorance, those in fear, tone for those that seem idiotic in their actions and their fears. Remember, you've been there. I have been there. I am Metatron, Metatron, Metatron. I can forgive. You can forgive. Tone 5 times. Sending out your forgiveness to whoever you need to send it to whoever you have judged, whoever you have feared. You are grace and you are under grace. Feel the grace as you draw it in. Open your hearts and let it in. I am Metatron. I am Metatron. I leave you with the tone vibration. I am Metatron. Listen to the vibration and let yourself embody me.